Greetings, superior beings, greetings, supreme being. Welcome to Universal Peace Television, the channel of BC Hoffman on YouTube. This is part 2 of the broadcast Metawatch Firmware 155, how to update So I've restarted the computer to test certain things. The doorbell is ringing, so then I'd better check it out. Moment. Oh, jij doet ook, oké. Ga er niet mee gooien. Misschien wil je hem op de trap zetten. Nou, lijkt me niet. Wat heb je besteld dan? Heb je iets besteld? Heb je iets besteld? Wat dan? Oh, oké. Okay. Right, the firmware. Sorry about the interruption. You can always fast forward. Sometimes I do very long broadcasts and then I basically take a break sometimes and drink a little tea or make tea, and during those periods people can fast forward. So of course, I'm first going to the backup directory, of course. And then let me say I'm cursed because they do that with synthetic telepathy. It's done by satanic pedophiles, the Jesuits and Masons that want to get rid of 7 billion people for their Luciferian global government. A totalitarian regime, so they want to depopulate Earth to a more controllable, read and enslavable number. And it's more important than this Metawatch. So you should check my previous broadcasts if you want to know the software that I'm using. And I've restarted. I first uninstalled the CCS, which took a long time. I forgot what it is. Code, composer, I don't know, something. And it also installs the driver that you need. But after that it didn't detect this program, the 155 updater, didn't detect the watch. So let's see if it can find the clip now. It should be connected. It's still connected. I restarted the computer. Skype wasn't working properly. I had to restart it again. It didn't start up, and then I closed the app and restarted previous time. It didn't work, but now Skype didn't work, and now the watch clip is still not detected. So this is the watch on COM 4. So apparently the driver is still installed. So then I can attempt reinstalling the other thing, the launchpad driver. No message that it's installed or anything. Is there another version for the Framematch? This is more for the strata. You see a picture of the strata, though it is the same firmware, I think, so it should work. Try it a couple of times, replug the watch, see what happens. Is there a more recent version of the Metawatch updater? Or perhaps I can just sync it with my phone now. But I won't use the watch if I don't have a timer, so I want the firmware with the timer. So weird that this doesn't have the 1.5.5. So this website has disappeared. Wait, metawatch.org, Metawatch. Looking for copy link location. It's also very time consuming. So the question is, how can I update to 155? Firmware shown how to update to 151. So if anybody knows how to update this watch, please leave a comment or mail or bchoffman@gmail.com. Remote protocol. First time I see this page, Developer Center. This was April 9th, 2013. The way it looked. So another question is, what is the generation indication? What does it mean? You have generation 1 and generation 2. I could just try flashing generation 2. But I would like to know if that would work for this particular watch, the WDS 112. So the Dutch 911 is 112. Interesting. Change this into metawatch.org. USB drives for your programming clip. Hope that that's not the same thing I have. TI Launchpad, that's what I just installed. Perhaps this is a different version, but I doubt it. So that still doesn't work after that, and perhaps it has to do with the other install that I did. And that's cdm 2082.4_setup.exe application. And I think there is no uninstall information, so I cannot uninstall it using the uninstaller. Perhaps there's a command that you can give, or perhaps it's somewhere there's an uninstall for it. Ooh. I clicked on the wrong button. Replugging the watch, perhaps.
D.
So the quick drives are installed. I have installed other firmware, and I have used this from E2E TI.com driver, which is installed when you install CCS 7.4 point something, and then I've now removed that, but I have reinstalled the TI Launchpad USB driver. And I wanted to check if this newly downloaded one is the same thing. The modified date may change when it's unzipped. So it's probably the same. Or this may be an older version. They can't be the same because they're different in size. So then I can try this one as well. So this one is from 2013. And I don't know what happens if I install them both. If I can also uninstall this. But I'm doubting if I get any response. So let's try this.
D.
I disconnect the watch. And I run it in administrator mode. We're not showing anything if it's installed or not, or what. Perhaps I'd have to restart the computer again. Reconnect the watch.
C.
Let's run this as administrator as well. And sometimes it causes problems when you run it in administrator mode. And sometimes it doesn't run if you don't run it in administrator mode. Not detected, as I expected. So I think I want to try another restart. Display capture has turned black. I haven't had that before. Okay, then I'll make another broadcast part 3. For universal peace.